Mod Institute top tip, how to polish 3D printed veneers. Mod created a burr kit with Comet, and we have the felt pad, which is magical for removing supports and ceramic dust. We have the medium Scotch-Brite, the goat hair bristle brush, the chrome oxide point, and the cotton buff. So step number one, go ahead and pop those supports off. Felt pad is diamond impregnated. It is incredible for removing supports and getting rid of that initial print lines and ceramic dust on the restoration's facial surface. And then we're gonna go ahead and use that medium Scotch-Brite. That's gonna go ahead and start to create a matte finish to the surface. Goat hair bristle brush. This is a medium goat hair bristle brush with some diamond paste. This is Mod diamond paste, but you could use whatever diamond paste that you want that is fine grit. Millions of them out there. And then you're gonna hit that with a chrome oxide impregnated tip. This is the magic here. It is going to be a beautiful luster starting to form just from this point alone. You're using pretty heavy pressure with that chrome oxide, and then final cotton buff for an ultra high shine. Look at that, it is insane. These things are something that's going to remind you of a high quality feldspathic veneer, not something that's 3D printed. When you go ahead and get a high shine like this, the translucency is insane. Let's go ahead and clean the inside so I can show you what I'm talking about here. Check this out, guys. Ultra high luster, beautiful. Love to see it.